back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I was actually thinking that I would start vlogging tomorrow, but then this arrived. I did not order this. My friend ordered these books for me. I don't know which ones. I had mentioned it to him that I wanted to buy two particular books later in the year, and most probably he has sent me those. So let's unbox. He has ordered 3 books. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. I have actually started the Dream Harbor series and I have read the first 2 books. The first one was The Pumpkin Spice Cafe and the second one was The Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. And so I was actually telling him that I wanted to read The Christmas Tree Farm last year during Christmas. But I did not buy it for some reason, and then he got me all the other books from the series. Oh my god, thank you so much. And the cover, oh my god, just a moment for the cover. This is so cute. Also this and this. So the first book is The Christmas Tree Farm. It is the 3rd book in the series most probably. And then I think comes the Strawberry Patch Pancake House. This is the 4th one, most probably, I don't know, I'll have to check. And then we have the Gingerbread Bakery. I think most probably this is the latest book, and maybe the author has just launched another book. I have to check. So now I have all the 5 books. And oh my god, this made my day. This literally made my day. It's raining and it is so windy and the weather is so good. So I was thinking I should make a cup of coffee to read for a while. So come, let's spend the next few days together. I really want to read these 3 books, but I don't know if it is legal to read a Christmas book in the month of May. I think it's illegal, but I think it should be legal because I don't think so I can stop myself from reading these 3 now. I just made coffee and it looks delicious and it tastes so amazing. So now I'll get back to work. I have a couple of things that I need to tick off in my to-do list for the day. So I'll go ahead and do that. next day and I oiled my hair, I took a shower, I shampooed my hair, then I did my journaling. Now I want to talk about two books that I've been reading simultaneously for the very first time. I generally read one book at a time, but this time I picked up two books to read and I'm enjoying both. Okay, so the first one is A Man Called Ove. Now I've been reading this book for a while, but let me tell you, this is a 5 out of 5 stars from my side because I'm absolutely enjoying. This is an experience and I am enjoying this thoroughly. So I will talk about this later because I'm on the verge of finishing this book, and maybe later in the vlog I'll let you know what I think about this. Now coming to the next book, it's a Arundhati Roy book. It's called Azadi, and people might come at me for reading this first because this is my first Arundhati Roy book. They might tell me to read God of Small Things first, but you know, I got this as a gift when I was in college in my first year, I think. So I thought I should give this a read, and I'm finding this interesting because she talks about our country and the issues that we have and the history that is related to those issues. Now I have only read 25 pages as of now, and I have never really read these kind of books, and I never expected that I would enjoy these kind of books. So you know, whenever I read this, I take out my pencil and underline a lot of things which I find interesting and informative. You know, there are a lot of words that are new for me, so I'm also writing all the meanings of those words. And if I finish this by the end of this vlog, maybe I'll talk about this as well, but I don't think so because I'm reading this very slowly, one page at a time, understanding every single sentence that she says because every single sentence is very informative. So that's that. Now it is so hot here and it's very difficult to film without switching on the fan because I am sweating like anything. Nobody will say that I just took a shower. Let me show you the situation that is there outside. Okay, it's so sunny. It is so sunny. I can't even explain how warm it is outside. I mean, hats off to those people who work outside the whole day. I just cannot wait to switch on the AC. Look at the sky. I think it's going to rain. It's going to rain quite heavily. It was so hot in the afternoon. I can't even explain how hot it was.